Hey guys, Martin Barkey here. Today in the shop we've got the Mav-R, and I've got a KOH proven product I want to show you for your Mav-R. So let's take it out. Rock rails. Tough as nails. Some people run them, some people don't. If you're rock crawling, if you're bashing through the bush, if you're running this Mav-R the way it's meant to be, as we were at KOH, man, Dave threw rocks at us like we've never seen before, and we put these things through the ringer. Not this particular set, as you can see, these are brand new and ready to roll, but let me tell you about them. They're direct bolt-on for your Mav-R, and as far as I'm concerned, if you're out there running it hard, you need to have some rock rails or rock sliders on your Mav-R. So quickly, we've got 1 3/4 tubing, 13 gauge, thick wall, heavy wall. I'm sure you're gonna see some KOH clips here. Bash these things and they took a beating. We've got 3/16 plate. You're going to notice we've got some relief cuts in the plate. You could use these for jack points if you need to. They're also great for getting the water, sand, mud, everything out. So we just made it for ease of cleaning. If you come to the top side here, you're going to see quickly how tight it is to the body. So we have tucked these in, and you know, one of the things we learned with actually our first gens is we had them out a little further. And when you're crawling rocks and you're fitting between a rock and a hard place, sorry I had to do it, you know what, we want to make this car, we don't want to make this car a race car or just a play toy, we want to make it as narrow as possible. So we have tightened these things right in, close to the body as we can, and they're simple, they bolt on. I got 3 factory mounting points. We've got one back here, we've got one up here, and we've got a lower back here. So 2 lower, 1 upper. And that just gives the strength that we need. We've got a bash plate on the front here to take any rocks and stones coming in. So it helps save coming through the plastic up there. You know what? Just the way we've seen it, and we'll show you some clips. It's MBRP branded, so everyone knows what you're running. It's got a nice big relief back here for just that, scrubbing the rocks. You know what? It just saves your plastics, and it keeps you running when, instead of ripping plastics off or instead of being pinched in between rocks, these really do the job and just allow you to roll. So powder coated black, let's face it, if you're gonna really use them, you're gonna be touching this up. No powder coat's gonna take what you or I might throw at it. But I mean, they look great when they get bolted on. It is tough, not tough enough to take all the rocks of KOH or the rocks you guys might throw at them. But you know what? I can honestly say, Josh and I both had this exact iteration on a race car, and that's the reason we're bringing it to you today. We wouldn't put our name on it if it didn't work, and I can tell you, this product works. So if you're one of those guys, either KOH ready or KOH wanna be a KOH kind of deal, this is a product for you. Go bash them off the rocks, do whatever you want with them. They're gonna stand up to anything you throw at it. So there you have it. This particular rock rail setup from MBRP is AC9219-04 is the part number. AC92-19-04 is the part number. Make sure you go check it out at MBRP.com, check it out on YouTube, and of course, look up your local MBRP dealer and buy it there.